Here we have a 20 plate BMW 330e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked. We also have the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the blue metallic exterior paintwork, the LED daytime running headlights. We also have the gloss black front grills, we have the gloss black front splitter as well, part of the M Performance kit. We have over £9,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. We have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top we have the glass sunroof, which is currently open. That can also get put onto a tilt. We have the shark fin antennae as well, the rear spoiler lip. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera as well. We have the dual exit exhaust with the rear diffuser, a power assisted boot as well. And then back around to the driver's side, you'll find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a look at the interior, inside of the back first, you'll find we have the full leather interior, the foldable armrest in the centre. We also have the M Sport style seat belts. We have the blue stitching as well. Fixed ISO points. We also have the vents down there with the climate control and the two Type-C USB ports for the rear passengers. On the doors you find we have the electric windows. We have the ambient lighting as well. Premium Harman Kardon sound system. If you take a look at the front, again the full leather interior. Both these front seats are heated and they're also electrically adjustable, as you can see just there. There's a look at them. Again on the doors we have the electric windows, try that for the rear. We have the electric mirrors as well. Driver's seat has the memory function just there for the seat. We have the Harman Kardon sound system. We have the auto lights as well, again the ambient lighting, the auto wipers just there. A multifunctional steering wheel which is also heated as well, as you can see the button just there. We have the cruise control as well, paddle shifters on either side. We have the digital dashboard up top. We also have the main infotainment screen as well in the centre, which has the lights of the sat-nav. We also have the DAB radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We have a range of media as well, Bluetooth phone connectivity. We have all of the different drive modes and much more. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full valet, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. Thank you for watching.